If YouTube isn't recommending your videos to new people, it's because you're making one of these three mistakes. And the worst part is, most business owners think they're doing the right thing, but they're actually telling YouTube to stop pushing their content. So let me show you what's happening and how to fix it. So the first mistake happens after you hit publish. You feel excited, so you start sending the link to your email list. You post it on LinkedIn, you post it everywhere, and you get views. It feels like a win. But here's what actually happens. When you publish a video, YouTube starts testing with a small group of people. It's trying to figure out who is this video for. If those people watch your video, it starts pushing it to more people like them. And that's how you grow. That's how you go viral. So when you start sending the video to other people that's not native to YouTube, YouTube stops that process of testing because it thinks that this video is meant for a specific audience that the creator wants to be. So when you start sending traffic from your email list or social media, YouTube sees a bunch of clicks coming from external links, not from YouTube natively. So it thinks that the creator wants this specific video to be only shareable externally. So it stops the testing process. It stops pushing your content to new audience because it sees that the creator wants to share this specific video to a specific group of people. So you might get a lot of views depending on your email list or social media, but the growth doesn't happen. You will always be capped by your email list or by your social media. You're just recycling the same people. And here's how to fix this while still leveraging your social media and your email list. You just wait a day or two after your video is public. Let the YouTube does its thing. Let YouTube test the video to actual people from YouTube. And then you can send it to your email list, send it to social media, and give it that extra boost. Because when you send traffic after YouTube has done that initial testing, it will think that those views, those initial views that was part of the test, started sharing your video. But here's the thing. Even if you stop sharing your links right after you upload the video, you still might be killing your videos before it even goes live. And this one, most people are doing it and they have no idea that they are. Most people upload their video and set it as unlisted, and they start like making the thumbnail, put in the title, even though you should do that before even making the video. But people do that and they set the description and getting their links to their offer or whatever. And they think that being unlisted means YouTube treat this video as a private video. But here's the thing. If the video is unlisted, you give a signal to YouTube that this video is meant to be only shareable. So you lose on that initial testing phase that YouTube does, because it thinks that this YouTube is only meant to be shareable because it's unlisted. The only way to access this video is by sharing it. So by the time that you publish a video or schedule it, YouTube will treat this video as a shareable video only. So it will not test it to other people. It will be shown to your subscribers. It will be shown to a small, very small group of people. It will not be treated as a new video that's being tested. So how do you fix this? Well, just set it as private or schedule it. That gives you enough time to do your titles, your thumbnails, your descriptions, and everything. And when you publish that video, YouTube will treat it as a new video. It will start the testing process as intended. Now, the third mistake kills most business channels. And this one is not about timing. It's about what you're actually making. You're making videos that could help everyone. But here's the thing. Everyone is not your buyer. Everyone is not your client. So you make videos with broad, generic topics that are still in your niche, but they are broad, they appeal to everyone, and YouTube doesn't know who to recommend it to. Let me give you an example. So my client is a real estate coach. He used to make videos like 10 mistakes realtors make, how to schedule your week as a real estate agent. And those videos flopped because they are broad. They could help any realtor, and any realtor is not his client. But when he started making targeted content, videos like how to prospect with YouTube videos, how to batch 30 days worth of content as a real estate agent, he's still talking to the same people, same niche, which is real estate, but way more specific. Those videos took off and actually generated business because it's related to his offer and it's related to his niche, which is real estate. And YouTube knew exactly who to push these videos for. Real estate agents that are interested in making YouTube videos or social media content. Because when your content is too broad, YouTube will show it to more people, but most of them don't care. They will scroll past and will never click on your video. But when it's very specific, YouTube will show it to a smaller group of people because it's more specific to them, but they are way more likely to click on your video. So think about the difference between these two. How to get clients from YouTube and how to get people to buy your coaching program from YouTube without going viral. The first one could be for everyone, But the second one is specific for business coaches that want to get clients from YouTube without needing to go viral. Targeted content helps YouTube do its job. It will know exactly who to push your videos to, and it will keep finding more of those people. So your only job there is to have a good title and a good thumbnail that appeals to that exact target audience. And if you want to see how to make targeted content that reaches your ideal buyer, there's a link in the description for my free playbook that show you exactly how to do that. Now you know why YouTube is not recommending your videos. But getting more recommendations, getting more views is not always the goal. Sometimes fewer views from the right people would help grow your business way more faster than reaching everyone. Watch this video where I show you why fewer views could actually grow your business faster.